What a truly, truly moving experience, wasn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand. I'm sure Jyoti Appa has been able to convey the spiritual essence of what Odissi is all about while making a larger point that we're all interconnected and we all have to be in sync with nature. So take a little time to introspect and to preserve nature in whatever small way you can. I'd now like to request Jyoti Appa herself to come say a few words.
I want to thank Vijay Lakshmi first because it's very important that how the communication gets through. I might be meaning very good, but if it's not communicated well, then it's not received well. Thank you, Vijay Lakshmi, so much. Really appreciate it. And also in the sound booth, Suparna Bhera, thank you so much. This morning I called her up, and because we've been having live musicians for 5 years, so I'm a little bit out of touch of dealing with CDs and editing and all that. So this morning I thought, oh, I need somebody in the sound booth to do CDs, because they just sit here and play live music for a long time now. So I thank her very much. And Vedanand, my husband, for creating a little light. And of course all of you to make this evening a successful evening, to join us here. And of course my students, it's just, please come, everybody come. All of you come. I will share the stage with them, and Kuku and all the volunteers outside in the booth, Shara and Krishna. Thank you so very much, everybody. Please come, please come. I share the stage with such a talented dancers, and of course Jagannath, and all of you in the auditorium. Makes my heart really happy. Thank you so much. My goal, my desire, and my idea is that, sometimes we get focused in one thing. It might be a very good thing, but we get focused so much that it gets a little bit out of balance, and other things are forgotten, and we detach or disconnect from the things also we need. We need food as much as water, as much air, as much our free sky, as much our home, family. You need me, I need you. That's how this universe keeps going. So, from little ant to big elephant, we need all of them. That's why Creator has put everything here on the earth, because they have their roles, they have their need. So, an all age group, we cherish all the seniors who are in the auditorium. You all are my special guests. My humble welcome to you all. And I be encouraged, please, also in the audience. We want to walk forward with everybody together. And we want to live in this world with everybody together, rejoicing all the qualities and everything given us from God. Thank you very much for coming, and be harmony and peace with you. Thank you.
It's been an enriching experience, needless to say, and not one of us will be leaving this auditorium, not touched to the core, as it were. So do keep the flame of Odissi alive and burning with your support, and we look forward to seeing you again here next year. And in between, keep track of all our performances elsewhere in the Bay Area, and log on to our website, jyotikalamandir.org. Thank you so much for joining us. Actually, this evening is all the more special because we have such committed and interested, beautiful guests with us. So thank you so much, and see you again. Good night.